Having Arizona be #1 in the entire nation for maintenance, that's a pretty hard goal to reach. Our dedicated mechanics and personnel exceed the goals of the Army and the Army National Guard. Hello, I'm Chief Warrant Officer 5 John Knott. I'm the Aviation Logistics Management Officer for ASIF #1. Our mission is to train crews and provide the aircraft for the supported units. Fully mission capable means the aircraft is capable of conducting any missions that the commander needs to do. It's a pretty in-depth process. Maintaining the aircraft, making sure they're ready to go at all times, reading the logbook. If there's any deficiencies, getting those corrected. If we need the parts, we get those parts on order as soon as possible. As soon as those parts come in, we have a deadline to get the airplane up within 24 hours. The significance of having Arizona be #1 in the entire nation for maintenance, that's a pretty hard goal to reach when you have limited resources of manning and parts and facilities and time. The Army wants you to have at least 85% of your aircraft fully mission capable. The National Guard limited us to only 51% of our authorized manning, and they still expect us to meet the full goals of the Army. And that's the challenge, is trying to meet those goals with the limited resources we have. With our dedicated mechanics and personnel, we managed to exceed the goals of the Army and the Army National Guard. Our maintainers are very dedicated to their job. We all get along pretty good. It's kind of like an extended family here. Most people come to work here, they end up making a career out of it because they get to do what they want to do, performing their MOS, maintaining aircraft. And it is a big team job. I know that sounds a little trite, but it is teamwork. It wouldn't be for our flyers in the hallway to our maintainers here. We wouldn't be able to do this without everybody involved. I think the reason our soldiers and technicians work harder than most states is just the environment we provide for them and their dedication to the Army and the Army National Guard.